In this lesson, we'll be discussing on another aspect of environmental hazard. But before we proceed, I would like us to provide answer to this simple illustration. Can you live in a house without a roof or walk conveniently under the sun without a shade, especially when the sun is very hot? I'm quite sure your answer is no, because everyone needs a coverage. And this will lead us to the topic, the ozone layer. But firstly, we want to look at the meaning of the ozone layer. What is the ozone layer? The ozone layer is a region in the Earth's atmosphere that contains high concentration of the ozone gas, which help to cover us from the harmful ultraviolet radiation. In the Earth's atmosphere, we have various layers. The troposphere is the closest to the surface of the Earth. It contains 10% of the total ozone gas, while the stratosphere contains 90% of the total ozone gas, which means that the ozone layer is found in the stratosphere. So let's see how the ozone gas is formed. The ozone gas is formed through a process known as photolysis. In this process, the ultraviolet rays strike the molecular oxygen to form individual oxygen atoms. Individual oxygen atom then combine with the molecular oxygen atom to form three atoms of oxygen known as the ozone, and this form a layer in the stratosphere. The ozone layer is very important and we need to protect it. The ozone layer helps to prevent the harmful ultraviolet rays from the earth. The ozone layer also help to absorb about 66% of the light that is being emitted in the sun, and it helps to regulate the earth's temperature. Now, ozone depletion. Depletion simply means to reduce. Therefore, ozone layer depletion simply means the reduction of the amount of the ozone gas in the stratosphere, which is not good to we human. What are those things that causes the ozone layer depletion? Ozone layer depletion can be caused by activities such as unregulated rocket launch. It can be caused by a chemical known as alloy that is used for the production of fire extinguisher. It can also be caused by aerosol. Aerosol is used for the production of paint. It is also used for the production of spray. It can also be caused by chlorofluorocarbon. Chlorofluorocarbon is a very important chemical that is used for the production, that is used in refrigerator and air conditioner. Nitrogenous copper can also cause depletion of the ozone layer. Burning of bushes can cause depletion of the ozone layer. Some of the consequences of depletion of the ozone layer is that it can lead to eye cataracts, like the one we have on the screen. Apart from that, it can cause suppression of the immune system, whereby the system give room for microorganisms to invade into the body. It can lead to skin cancer, just as you have it on the screen. It can also destroy aquatic organisms in the water. Ozone layer depletion can bring about poor leaf development, and it can also cause aging of the skin, whereby the skin form wrinkles at the early stage. Ozone layer depletion can lead to ice melting and flooding. I'm sure we all know the meaning of flooding because we have treated it in one of our topic. So by the time the ice melts, the water will increase and it will overflow its bank, causing flooding. It can also reduce the quality of plastic thereby changing the color and making the plastic to be stiff. It can destroy forestry, thereby causing deforestation. Depletion of the ozone layer can cause mutation of the DNA, which can lead to serious health issues. It can also lead to skin burns. We need to control this depletion. Remember, no ozone, no life. So we must take steps to control ozone layer depletion by banning chlorofluorocarbon, or if we have faulty refrigerator and air conditioner, we should fix them immediately and dispose them properly. We should minimize the use of vehicle because the fumes from vehicle can destroy the ozone layer. Then we should also only buy cleaning agents that contain materials that are friendly to the ozone layer. Lastly, the use of nitrogenous compounds should be prohibited. Now is question time. I'm quite sure you understand the topic. All answers should be written in your notebook. Number 1. State the various layers of the atmosphere. Number 2 question. Use chemical equation to explain how the ozone gas is formed. Question number 3. State 3 effects of the ozone layer depletion. Number 4 question. What is ozone layer depletion? Question number 5. Suggest 3 ways we can control depletion of the ozone layer. Lastly, question number 6. State the causes of ozone layer depletion. Remember, all answers should be written in your basic science notebook and be submitted for marking. We have finally come to the end of this topic. Remember to drop your questions and comments in the question box below this page. Don't always forget to attempt your quiz. It is very important. And do your assignments. Have a nice time. Until we meet in our next class. Bye.